Alright, here's a warm-up question. It says Samantha David took out an $80,000 5-year policy at age 45. The premium per thousand was $3.46. She will be 50 years old this year, and the premium per thousand will be $5.24. What is the percent of increase to the nearest whole number? Now, we have two things. One, the percent tells us we need to find the percent. Increase means we need to find out how much it increased by. So I just like to take a look at how much the premium has changed. And it changed from 346 to 524. So I'm going to start by finding the difference between 346 and 524 so that I know how much it has gone up. Okay, and to find our percent of increase, we really don't even have to go into huge detail. We don't have to find the actual amounts of his policy. We can just use the rates and go from there. So we can see that the rate went up $1.78 per thousand. Okay, so this was our increase. The base increased by $1.78. If we want the percent of increase, what you do is take the increase and you divide it by the original amount. Make sure it's the original and not the new amount. So we increase by $1.78 for our base, and we divide that by the original, which was $3.46. Now when I do that, I get 0.5144. Okay? We need this as a percent, so we move the decimal 2 places to the right, which gives me 51.44, but they wanted it to the nearest whole number. 4 is small enough that we just round off to 51%. So she had a 51% increase in those 5 years. Right, here's Trilon Eager. He took out a $100,000 20-year term policy at age 40. The premium per thousand was $4.25. He'll be 60 years old this year, and the premium will be $5.40. The percent of increase to the nearest whole number is this percent. Okay, so we're going to follow the same process. First, we need to know how much it increased by. And again, you don't have to find the actual amount he paid annually. You can just go based off of his rate for each. So we're going to find out how much it increased. So we're going to take $5.40 minus $4.25 so we can find the change that's occurred. Okay, when we do, we get $1.15. $1.15. That's how much we increased. We want to know the percent of increase. So again, you take the increase and you divide it by the original amount that he was being charged. Our increase was $1.15. We divide that by the original, which was $4.25. When I do, I get 0.27058. We want that as a percent, so we move the decimal 2 places to the right, and that gives us 27%. We don't want to include those decimals on the end because they wanted it to the nearest whole percent. Now we're typing this one in, so we would just put 27.